बीच में नर्वस करता है।
थोड़े रिजेम्बलेंस है दिमाग में, मतलब थोड़ा ही डिफरेंस है। पहले का
Okay,
दिमाग
start.
स्टार्टेड ही है, ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट है.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we begin? Yes. Psychology of a long and happy life. Just half an hour of learning. So, theme देख के आपको पता ही है Japanese. So, how many of you want to live? Want to live longer? Want to live a long and happy life? ये काफी लोग नहीं.
Not long.
I don't know.
Long. Happy is okay.
जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. So, a lot of people have been dedicated their careers in understanding कि how can we achieve that. Of course, medical science हर साल better होते जाता है and ऐसे बोला जाता है कि जो 75 expectancy जो आज की है, like just 100 years ago, it was less than 50. But ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक time there is something called as a dying escape velocity. So अगर आप एक rabbit हो और आप फुदकते जा रहे हो, हर साल आप एक birthday complete कर रहे हो, मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी इस मोमेंट पे अगर अपने से स्लो है, एक टाइम ऐसा आ सकता है कि आफ्टर योर 100 years are complete you can still keep on living. The technology will keep advancing and you can live forever. That is a concept, that's a theoretical concept that a lot of philosophers are reaching कि एक दिन आएगा तुम चाह कर भी मर नहीं पाओगे. Okay? वो चाहता नहीं है ना. I'm currently reading this book, like Smart Little, Ikigai. Very good book about what are the Japanese secrets. So there is something called as the concept of blue zones. इस दुनिया में there's a sixth one also, but these are all the places where the people who the number of old people, that is centenarians, 100 के भी पार, are the highest density में पाए जाते हैं. Okay, the blue zones. Now the people are going there and checking कि ये लोग क्या अलग करते हैं, क्या यहाँ पे पानी अलग मिलता है, what jobs do they do, what is it that is very different about them. Okay, one of the biggest things that they are able to find is कि these people come from very random villages and all. अगर देखोगे 1, 2, 3 and 4 are islands, small islands, and उसकी वजह से they have to live together in a communal life. So the common points that they were able to find in सब जगहों में is that these people are very communal. They always share everything together. They have a lot of friends and they stay together. The more amount of people you interact with, it has a positive impact on your mind. Okay? But अपना story, because Japanese है, we focus on Okinawa.
तो जापान में इसे उल्टा नहीं है क्या, जो भी तुमने लास्ट सेंटेंस बोला?
इसका उल्टा है, वो reproduce नहीं कर रहे, वो बच्चे पैदा नहीं कर रहे, बट बुड्ढे जीते हैं.
वो सोलो लाइफ ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, कुछ नहीं.
Solo life.
They don't prefer to get into families.
True. That is about this generation of
नया generation, हाँ.
बट एक है कि ओकिनावा जो है, this beautiful island, बहुत अच्छे फोटोज मिले नहीं. यहाँ पे जो डेंसिटी है is I think 35 या 40 per 1000 people of people who are over 1000 जीते जा रहे. Scientists started going over, बोला क्या कर रहे लोग, do they don't smoke, ये लोग दारू भी नहीं पीते. They realized इनमें से आधा पब्लिक रोज 5 बजे एक साके पीते. Notes बनाओ. They realized कि this is not the reason for their long life. What you eventually come down to is that वहाँ पे they believe in some words called as hara hibu machi, something they call it, which really means कि ना when they eat food, they eat in very small quantities. वो लोग छोटे-छोटे प्लेट्स में खाना खाते हैं और वो तभी खाना रोक देते हैं जब वो 80% फुल है. अगर आप if you're every day of your life if you're eating more than you need, you're making your body work more than it should. These are some stark differences that we see with our current life. ये एक हो गया. Number 2, they interact with each other and उधर old लोग भी जो 100+ की पे बात कर रहे हैं, every day they get out, they do something. They do not stay कि अरे चलो मैं रिटायर हो गया, चलो बैठ के ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, न्यूज़ देखेंगे. They don't engage in that. A lot of their activity is very physical work. आज भी उनके बच्चे जाके लकड़ी तोड़ के यूज कर रहे हैं, लकड़ी तोड़ेंगे, उसको ये करेंगे, वापरेंगे. We are not able to see all this in our daily life. But the more physically active that you are, the better you can actually you can live longer. That is the secret. So among all of these secrets, that they described, the biggest one is the word ikigai. किसी को ikigai का मतलब पता है? यहाँ पे the book का this explains also. Ikigai is in simple words your reason for being. मैं जिंदा क्यों? जिस दिन when you do not have a purpose in your life, that is probably the biggest time when you are without a purpose you cannot live long. These old people, all of them carry some purpose. वो अपने बच्चों को जापानीज सिखा रहा है, कोई बच्चों को ट्यूटरिंग कर रहा है, कोई अगले जनरेशन को कोई स्किल सिखा रहा है. Everyone is engaged in some activity. कोई खाली नहीं बैठा. Notice करो the people who are truly happy are the people who carry a purpose. And इस purpose के ऊपर मेरा आगे का पूरा टॉक रहने वाला है. Entire book is very good. We can actually keep coming back to it. But I would like to ask, does anybody know this guy, Viktor Frankl? नहीं सुना किसी ने? Okay. तो नहीं अच्छी बात.
Now we know.
Works in my favor. So Viktor Frankl की एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. Anybody आपको कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स के बारे में तो पता होगा. when नाजी जर्मनी मतलब उन्होंने टेक ओवर किया, उन्होंने सारे ज्यूज को एक कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में भर दिया. At that time this guy was a very promising psychologist. इन्होंने खुद का स्कूल ऑफ फिलोसफी, स्कूल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इन्वेंट किया था, कॉल्ड एज लोगोथेरेपी. सो कहते हैं कि लेट्स से अगर आपके पास कोई डिप्रेस्ड बंदा आता है, you do not, he doesn't have anything, any meaning to his life. They probably lost somebody that they love. How will you get them back? A lot of therapy is situated about that. And लोगों को, इंसानों को stabilize कैसे किया जाए mentally, वापस कैसे लाया जाए. This guy believed you can actually give them a new purpose. Instead of reflecting what has happened already, teach them to accept it and to move on. So होला क्या है, when he started doing all of this, उन्होंने इसके ऊपर पूरा thesis लिखा. He had written papers upon this and it was collected. Publish करने की देरी थी कि नाजी जर्मनी occupied and he was sent to a concentration camp. आज तक जितना भी काम उन्होंने किया सारा जला दिया. And his purpose of his life became कि I want to put this knowledge to the world. That's what he started doing. वो concentration camp में जाते थे, he used to talk to other people, he used to give them the therapy. वो जब भी आते थे लिखते हुए नजर आते थे. तो वहाँ पे he has described in this book of his, it's a very good book, बहुत छोटी पतली book है, निपटा सकते हो. He tells about his experiences कि वहाँ पे एक बेड पे 8 लोगों को सोना पड़ता था, वो कपड़े भी नहीं देते थे तो ऐसे ही सोना पड़ता था सारे लोगों को एक साथ, कैसे उन्हें रखा जाता था. He till the end of जहाँ पे Nazis lost the war and then they got out, this guy rewrote all of his work. एक टाइम पे उन्हें टाइफस हो गया था. आजकल टाइफस होता नहीं, उसके लिए वैक्सीन रेडी है, बट एट दैट टाइम यूज्ड टू जस्ट बंदे को इंजेक्ट करके नींद आ जाती थी. जैसे वो उठते थे लिखना चालू करते थे, किसी भी कागज का टुकड़े पे वापस सो जाते थे, लिखते थे सो जाते थे. When this guy came out of such a horror, he realized मेरे स्कूल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी का मैं पहला स्टूडेंट हूँ. When you give somebody a purpose to live, they don't seem to worry about what all is going around them. And what can be that purpose is something जिसके around और लोगों ने बहुत सारा philosophy बनाया है. उसके पहले I'll just give 2 examples of Viktor Frankl's के patients जो थे उनके बारे में. So एक दिन an old doctor comes to his office, clinic आते हैं, बोलते हैं कि I have lost my wife 2 years ago. We were like, हम बचपन से we were together, we married early and everything. She left me 2 years ago. तब से I've been having sleepless nights. I cannot live. I don't feel like living. And what do I do? So Victor tells him कि don't you think you have taken up the hard work? What if तुम्हारी wife तुमसे पहले चली जाती? तो sorry, what if तुम तुम्हारी wife के पहले चले जाते? In that case, ये सारा दुख तुम्हारी वाइफ को मिलता. You are doing such a favor to her by taking all of that pain. And just by changing the outlook of the problem, the doctor realized that that is his purpose and he is serving his purpose. He is not living without a purpose. He goes away. Then came a woman. एक औरत आती है. She comes with her little बच्चा है. वो बच्चा disabled है. So she comes and tells him, I lost my son some time back. He was very able son, मतलब मिलिट्री में आर्मी में था, गुजर गए. अब मेरे पास ये बच्चा है. She tried to kill herself and the little son, disabled है. एंड वो बचते, डॉक्टर इनको, पुलिस इनको इसके पास भेजती है एज अ सो व्हाट फ्रैंकल टेल्स इज, इमेजिन करो कि यू आर गोइंग टू रियली डाई, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट योर लाइफ? She remembers how she cared for the son. She remembers how she made this disabled son able. वो छोटे बच्चे को पूछा जाता है तुम्हें लाइफ में कुछ पर्पस है, तो yes, he does want to live. उसकी माँ उसको मारने चली, and with a deep talk she understands कि I am not actually मेरे को मतलब I am not supposed to die, right? I have served my purpose. My purpose is to now make this guy successful. My life was not worthless that I am going to sacrifice it like that. Sometimes people forget that मेरे लाइफ की भी कोई वैल्यू है. In that time you have to reflect, to see, नजरिया बदलो, लोगों से बात करो and समझो कि शायद you mean something to some people, right? इसी चेन ऑफ थॉट में, I don't think I've made that PPT का slide, so इसी को assume कर लो, cute talk, okay? So there is something called as the Morita therapy. एक Japanese scientist है Morita करके, which will be the last point of our discussion. He gave 3 points. I think this is not actually a good thing to do. I'll just go back. ठीक है? Morita ने बोला कि if you are suffering from such a problem, अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारी लाइफ का कोई पर्पस नहीं, तुम्हारी लाइफ को वैल्यू नहीं है, तो तुम्हें ये स्टेप्स करने चाहिए. Number 1, accept your feelings. Let's say you lost somebody, you just had your breakup. You just accept it कि हाँ, this has happened to me. Step number 2, keep doing what you're supposed to. अपने काम पे ध्यान दो. अब पता है, एक्सेप्ट कर लो फीलिंग्स, काम नहीं छोड़ो. Do not stop working. Which is, of course, आपने भी सुना होगा जापानीज लोग यही करते हैं कि when they go on a strike, they don't stop working. वो एक काला बैंड पहनते हैं and they go on a strike. They keep working. Right? When you are agitated by something, do not stop what you are supposed to do. Step number 2. Step number 3. Find a different purpose. Finding that purpose is a whole entire discussion, but then it's something that should come from within, right? And that is something that book can help you navigate. What can that purpose of mine be? It could be something that you can do for the world. It could be something you can do for yourself. Ideally, it should be a mix of all. Something जो तुम्हें मजा भी दे, जो दूसरों के लिए beneficial भी हो, जिससे तुम पैसे भी कमा सको, everything. And when you have such a purpose, with something of with a healthy diet, with a healthy mind, definitely it can be a long and happy life. Yeah, and of course there is one last word that I would like to tell, जो मुझे बहुत recently मालूम पड़ा. It is coming out to be, it's called Sunday neurosis. किसी ने सुना? तो apparently it says कि कोई बंदा है 5-6 दिन काम करता है हफ्ते के, संडे को सोचता है मेरे लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है.
संडे को ही सोचता है ना हम लोग.
मतलब मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ,
कल का क्या मतलब?
मतलब 5-6 दिन बंदा काम करता है and every day obligations, commitments complete करता है. Last में yes, I have nothing to get out of bed for other than going back to work on Monday. Sunday neurosis. And if you are feeling something like this, the study says that 55% of all the people in this world who are working feel this. So you are not alone. In that case, maybe looking for a purpose is the first thing we can try doing. So we all have to escape our own Sunday neurosis.
True.
And,
Sometimes it happens.
A lot. Especially when life is not going well, मतलब कुछ करने को ही नहीं है. पता रहता है कोई दोस्त है ही नहीं साथ में, कुछ नहीं है. Feels like that. करेंगे, बढ़िया. बताओ, any reflections, anything?
Very nice session.
Thank you, Ashik.
So, ये एक लॉन्ग लाइफ की पर्पस ढूंढना है या
Three things. हाँ, 3 things है. मतलब एक तो है कि how can you be healthier than you, how can you be the best at your health. तो उन्होंने उसके लिए बताया खाना कम खाना है और एक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल रखनी है. हम लोग साला इधर से ही अपन नहीं कर पाते, you know, we sometimes get out of the way. मतलब मैं खुद को देखा है, just feel like यार अब घर आ गए, अब क्या वापस क्या चलने जाओ, क्या मैं दोस्तों के साथ एक maybe start implementing that. Then you realize कि what is something that you're giving for the community. Sometimes वो अंदर का ना that giving back wala, we all want to do something but we cannot find something to do. Address that, which is why volunteer work वगैरह थोड़ा matter करता है. These are all little things coming out of that. मैंने purpose इसलिए चुना because I think there needs to be more people who tell you कि if something goes wrong in your mind तो तुम्हें करना क्या है. ये 3-step procedure really works. Morita therapy जो है, acceptance, continue what you do and find your purpose. Which is why I wanted to share the Morita therapy especially. Frankl का life is very interesting and we should all know such people actually. So इसलिए I felt like these 3 bits sharing like. तो बता. Healthier तो रह सकते हैं ना. I think यहाँ पे most of the people I know are very fitness conscious. मतलब अपनी टीम में मेरे में ही बचा था अभी. So
फिक्स नहीं है.
Fix नहीं है.
फिक्स नहीं है. अपनी टीम में किसी
Shashank?
हाँ शशांक एक है.
He's a freak.
But I mean Jignesh you also lost a lot of weight like एक time पे आपने शुरू किया बोला कि वो करने का है. You did.
But weight is just one parameter. I think who is happy or who is healthy from within.
It's
also.
different, yeah. वो पता भी नहीं चलता पता है.
Yeah.
That's the smiling.
वो पता चलता है the way you behave with others.
Exactly.
कोई नया स्टोरी करके लेके मैं so excited all the time.
Actually, if you have a purpose and when you follow that strictly, the other things really don't matter what is going on. As he has given the example of Franklin, when he was into writing, he'd never focus what's going around. That time, even you don't care about your health.
Exactly.
It's like, yes, I have to do this. And I think that motivates you more to get through that. Even our Indian culture also promotes that if you have a motto, if you are focusing on something, you go through that.
Feel better, yeah.
And इसमें और एक चीज बोला था the second point कि you should also do what you're supposed to do. So what I mean to say
Keep doing
if I'm passionate about say dancing, so I cannot leave my responsibilities and just go crazy कि मैं भी यही करूँगी. That's
But you
not-
take out the time for
Yes.
that.
So you balance what you like and what you're supposed to work on.
Exactly.
But when you are focused, I think you get a lot of time for other things. That's what even Japanese follow. If you, means what I have heard about them is like, if they are instructed to follow some steps, they will follow it in that way. They will never bypass that. Many times it's like they are stuck, they will be stuck over there. They won't be using their brains to do that.
Discipline है उधर.
Very disciplined and accordingly
But
they
you
will.
say that this is good.
I
Depends.
depends.
सिचुएशन.
See, if you don't.
Sequence का काम कर रहा था.
नहीं बट लेकिन अभी जो चीज़ है कि भाई तुम्हारे हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं, तुम कर ही नहीं सकते, वहाँ इरिटेट होने का रीजन ये होता है यार मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट वेस्टिंग माई टाइम. सो यू नीड टू एंजॉय दैट टाइम ऑल्सो कि भाई कि ठीक है भाई करने को कुछ नहीं है, आई नीड टू जस्ट वेट.
इकागाई का जो पर्पस जो है, इकागाई doesn't mean directly a purpose. There is a circle, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Within that, so there is like what you love, what you're good at, what you can be paid for, and what world needs.
Yeah.
इन चीजों सर्कल्स के बीच में जो आएगा, that's
That is
the
your
The
इकागाई.
right spot.
मतलब डांस करना एक ही का ही नहीं है. डांस करना आपकी हॉबी है.
दैट कैन
मतलब one thing is कि मतलब मेरे को कार सीखने का था तो हो ही नहीं रहा था. To the point I was thinking कि शायद I'm not made for somebody driving. But then when you actually put your purpose, you make it your purpose. सुबह उठ के मैं रील्स देख रहा हूँ, हाँ मैं रिवर्स ऐसे मारते हैं, ये करते हैं. It becomes your purpose. Everything around you gets easier and you are actually able to learn it.
Right.
Just of course गाड़ी चलाना एक ही का ही नहीं है, but so but
बट वो पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट के लिए
just put all your mind towards it. Accept कि हाँ भाई I'm a bad driver, but you still learn. Acceptance शायद सबसे मुश्किल स्टेप है इन तीनों में. अगर sometimes accept करना ही बहुत मुश्किल जाता है कि if you lost somebody that you love, you somebody you used to, तो accept करने में थोड़ा समय निकल जाता है.
I think उसके पहले acknowledging the problem is a pre-step.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you don't even know what is the problem, why am I upset?
Exactly.
I'll accept it only when I know that.
Denial is the first step of acceptance. So उसका भी एक that can be an interesting talk also कि what are the 6 stages of like first is denial, then is regret.
हाँ, ये सारा curve भी है.
हाँ.
Like you start from feeling S to H. I have forgotten, but there is.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, but हाँ another notice कि यार this मैं भी सोचता था कि psychologist लोग के books कौन पढ़े, क्या है ये such stories लाओ, Harry Potter लाओ, but this is actually a very different experience because it's like you're not reading the book, you're reading about yourself. So I encourage कि पढ़ो, बहुत सारा पढ़ो, like you will actually learn a lot because वो Blinkist वगैरह पे इतना अच्छा summary नहीं मिलता है. Some things take time to be simmered into अंदर डालने के लिए.
बुक्स की समरी तो बुक पढ़ने बेटर.
हाँ.
समरी पढ़ने समरी में उनका समराइजेशन व्हाट दे अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम दिस बुक.
But yeah, so I hope you all like maybe थोड़ा सा सीखने मिला होगा कि maybe Morita therapy याद रखो, बाकी सब क्या है views on it's difficult for us to see something like this. Also one last point कि आपने बोला ना Japanese का काम का बहुत सीन है. What happens is ना according to the Sardinia वाला, the Italy वाला, ये लोग का होता है कि ये लोग siesta लेते हैं, मतलब siesta is like दोपहर का लोग लंच करते हैं और सो जाते हैं. It's called as afternoon siesta. तो 1 से 4 these guys sleep and then they wake up again.
कोई नेचर को के लिए
मैं यही से इंस्पायर हुआ.
Seriously, मतलब दूर राठी का
नहीं, that is actually a power nap or the break required. Power nap is 10 minutes, but this break is like again restart the thing. That's what.
तो लोग को लंबा जीना है ना, तो तुम्हें ब्रेक्स तो लेने पड़ेंगे.
हमारे गांव में अभी भी होते हैं. शॉप्स आर क्लोज्ड फ्रॉम 1 to 3.
सीरियसली वो ब्लॉक करने जाते हो ना, खाली सड़की
खाली सड़कें.
कुत्ता भी नहीं. This is true. So take it easy because अगर लंबा जीना है तो शायद ब्रेक्स भी जरूरी है. With that, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.